on to Gordon guitar. Taylor Swift, heard of that name? I think so. This one is called Anti-Hero. So it goes in the same way here, 4 chords and same kind of strumming there. So we'll look at that. No need for any cape on this one. And we will start with the A. So that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord will be E. So that is open A, E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be B actually, but you can go with the B sus version here, so you don't have to do all the fingers like that. It's a little bit easier. So we'll go with the B sus, works perfectly fine here. So you will have a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on G. And the final chord will be a C sharp minor. So you just move your bar here down to the 4th fret. Same grip there, but the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so there you have the chords in that order through the entire song. A, B, and C sharp minor. Alright, so let's look at the strumming, and we will think pair of chords here. So A and E will go over 1 string around, and B to the C sharp over 1. So we'll look at transition here from A to E, and it will be pretty easy. The first part, A, will be like this, down, clap, and that's it. Down and a short pause and clap. And then you switch to E and play down, up, clap. So clap. So if we combine these two parts, it will be down, clap, clap. And then you use the same way of playing for the next 2 chords, the B and C sharp. Down, clap, down, clap. This is how it goes through the entire song. So thank you for watching, guys. Taylor Swift's Anti-Hero. Until next time, play tuned.